Traditional garden ties can be expensive and fiddly to use. You never seem to have the right size. Some strings and twines cut into the delicate stems of expensive plants and shrubs, causing damage. For a more creative solution, you need Fast Fix tape from Creative Products. This ingenious tape combines the traditional hook and loop fixing system on one single piece of tape. It's so easy to use. Simply cut the appropriate length of tape, allowing around 5 centimeters extra for overlap. Now wrap around the plant stem and fixing point, making sure the tape overlaps enough to make a firm fixing. Fix is fast. Fast Fix is wide enough to not cut into the plant. The soft loop side of the tape cushions your delicate plants and protects from abrasions as the plant grows or moves. The best part is that Fast Fix can be removed in seconds and repositioned or used again somewhere else. Fast Fix is super strong. Just a small amount can lift a 20-kilo suitcase. Fast Fix makes a great tree tie. Or why not keep your hoses stored neatly and kink-free? Make sure your garden umbrella stays safe in the wind. Keep it strapped with Fast Fix. Fast Fix is completely waterproof and works just as well when wet. Not just for the garden. Fast Fix has hundreds of uses around the home too. Fast Fix is the perfect way to secure Christmas lights and decorations. Tidy up those messy cables in seconds. It's perfect for walkers and campers. Now you can carry much more when cycling. And don't worry if you cut Fast Fix too short. Simply join 2 or more pieces together. It's just as strong as a single piece. Strap it, wrap it, and fix it again and again. Whenever you need a strong fixing, get creative and reach for Fast Fix, the versatile, waterproof, super strong Fast Fix tape from Creative Products. Take one or more to the checkout now.